Okay, this is the second lesson after we did the regular verse of Green Day. We're going to do the rest of the verse. It's just an overlaying guitar part. And, you know, Billie Joe only has himself as a guitarist, so he must have some way that either he doesn't play this part live or he, has a backing track or some sort, or maybe once in a while he has a second guitarist. Anyway, so what that second guitar part is doing is it's going thinnest string, all the notes are on the thinnest string. You're going to do 3, 4, then move it up to the 8th fret and do 8, 6 on the thinnest string, then back to 3, 4. And then, so it's 6 notes. It's a 6-note phrase. Again, 3, 4, 8, 6, 3, 4 again. And sometimes it just does it once. In other words, those 6 notes once. Sometimes he does it twice through. So it'd be like this. Right? Sometimes I'll slide that down on the last note. Then it goes again. 3, 4, 8, 6, 3, 4. And that goes over this part. Or if you're single notes, just like that. We'll see you on the next one.